What's going on, and welcome to Oil and Gears. Today is an unofficial meet for SCION Lifestyle, so this one's going to be pretty cool. We actually have, well, we're going to have about 15 or 16 xBs out here, and man, it's a great turnout. We're here at Brothers Taco House on Leland and Emancipation Road here in downtown Houston, but it's a great meet. Everybody's out here. As you can see, we got the cars all lined up, taking pictures, taking photos, doing all that fun stuff. So check it out. This is going to be the video for today. All right, so we're here in downtown Houston, and as you can see, we're setting up everybody here. We are on the corner of Pease and I can't see the Bastrop. Corner of Pease and Bastrop, downtown Houston. We're lining up the cars. We're getting everybody together because we're doing video, photo shoot, all the xBs. There you go, right here. They're all lining up. Check that out. We even got a Gen 2 right here. Check that out. Again, we're in Houston, but we want to expand out everywhere in Texas and United States. So if you're interested, follow us on SCION Lifestyle on Instagram and Facebook. We're there. So check out the rest of the video.